If we look at the data science project cycle that we have been following since the beginning of this course, so far we have done all the hard work. First, we extracted the Titanic dataset from the Kaggle website. Then we went through Organize step where we explored and processed the data. Now we are heading towards the modeling phase. In this phase, you will not only learn to build models, but also learn to analyze the model characteristics based on the problem at hand. We will also cover the presentation phase in the series of modules. If we drill down in the modeling phase, in this module, we will start with the fundamentals of machine learning and some of the core concepts associated with it. Then we will build our baseline model. After that, we will build our first predictive model and will compare its performance with the baseline model. Then in the next module, you will learn some more advanced topics related to predictive modeling and will learn several useful techniques to fine-tune your machine learning model. You will also learn to persist your model in the next module that can be really useful if you want to use your trained model for real-time predictions. Now let's talk about the presentation phase. So far, we have created several visualizations that can be part of the presentation phase, especially if you are presenting your insights to different stakeholders. However, from the Titanic Kaggle competition perspective, the key deliverable is a simple text file containing the predicted survival value for each passenger in the test dataset. So we will create these submission files as well. Not only this, in the next module, we will go one step ahead and will present our machine learning model itself as a machine learning API. This will ensure that your model is not only sitting in your laptop, but also can be a part of the full-blown data solution. From the conceptual point of view, in this module, you will learn about some basics of machine learning. If you already have exposure to the machine learning field, then it will be a quick brush up for you. And if you are new to this field, then you will learn some fundamentals that should be sufficient for the purpose of this course. So you will learn what exactly machine learning is and what types of tasks you can accomplish using machine learning. Then we will focus on one specific task, that is classification task, as the Titanic disaster challenge is basically a classification problem. So we will see what exactly is a classifier. And then we will look at some of the common metrics to evaluate the performance of a classifier. We will then create a simple baseline model that can be used as our first Kaggle submission. You can think this model as version 0. This will establish the baseline case. Then we will look at slightly more complicated predictive model, that is a logistic regression model, and we'll build our version 1. We will also compare the performance of version 1 model with the baseline version 0 model. From the tools perspective, we will continue to use the tools from previous modules that are NumPy and Pandas. But I will introduce you to a new and very popular Python package for tackling various machine learning related activities, that is scikit-learn. This is a great Python library and it can surely make your machine learning journey quite a breeze. Now we have set up our expectations from this module. Let's jump into the exciting world of machine learning. In this clip, we will take a step back and we'll cover some fundamentals about machine learning so that all of us are on the same page when we are using the terms related to machine learning. So what is machine learning after all? Well, as a very short definition, machine learning is learning from data or examples. So you can see we have two crucial components here. First one is learning and second one is data or examples. So you use data or examples to learn some kind of pattern or intelligence. And once you have the pattern or intelligence with you, you can use it in many ways, and one very common task is to use the pattern to make predictions. Let's see a concrete example to understand all of this.